Hey everyone, welcome back. It's been quite a long time since I've posted a modular synth video. I've been away for quite a bit. Life has gotten in the way. And also, I've been trying to reconnect and rediscover what excites me creatively. Um, I've discovered that my brain really likes variety and for the longest time, I've always looked at it as a weakness of sorts, failing to commit to that one thing that you're known for. Like, I'm the best modular ambient synth guy on the internet, or, I'm really going to do dub techno, and that's what I'll be known for. And somehow that always felt very restrictive to me, where you go into a hole and watch YouTube videos about how to gain followers and what is the most effective strategy to achieve X, Y, or Z, where really mostly I just get a kick out of doing lots of different creative things, often with music or sound. But I also like a little bit of coding and artwork and all sorts of things. So all of this has culminated to this new video, a little bit different from what I usually do. And I just wanted to take you along my thought process, what I'm currently up to, etc. I hope you enjoy. Welcome back again if you're watching this. So first, I've made a new website for Human Motives, which is on the screen now. This initially started for me as a coding exercise. I really wanted to dive in and see if I could program my own website, which was fun to do. And also I started thinking about, well, I'm doing modular synth videos, I'm doing a variety of things, and I wanted to have a home for all of that stuff. So that is the new website. Human.motives.org is where you can find it. And it turned out nice. It was a nice exercise in a variety of disciplines: coding, design, aesthetics, etc. So really cool. You'll find links to my music, and more importantly, I also have a section now of my projects. And the past year, I've been doing various little projects off screen. I haven't really shared much about it. And these are Datagrave, Ghost Radio, Leylines, which has been fun to do for me because it allowed me to explore coding, learn new skills like deploying and managing projects on GitHub, using online tools like Netlify, and it's been a really fun journey. I really like learning new things and staying fresh, and this was the perfect opportunity to marry some of those things: sound, music, design, programming, all rolled into one nice sushi. So let's look at some of these projects. So let's start with Leylines. And Leylines has been, again, a coding exercise where I wanted to build essentially a little browser-based synth. So you can open this in your browser, you can open it on your mobile phone, and just have a couple minutes of fun exploring the sounds that you can make with it. So let's dive in. And first, there's no sound. You may have to click it with the mouse to activate the web audio, and then the sound starts recording. So Leylines is a little bit inspired by nature, flowing lines, and dropping stones in the ever-flowing pond of life. So if you double-click, you add a stone to the flow, which acts as a little tone. And this is all based on sine waves, by the way, which fitted the natural theme. And you can drop in more stones in the flow. and you get this quaint little sequence going. You can click and drag up and down to alter the sound. Like this, and you can do the same going left to right. And if you right click and drag and swipe, if you're on mobile, you can use your finger gestures. You can also alter the sound. So that's Leylines. Yeah, again, really an exercise in artistic expression. I just wanted to explore some ideas that I had floating around, and it turned out really nice. So you can find it on my website and play around with it. Let me know what you think. I'm really curious. So another project I've been working on is dubbed Ghost Radio, and you can also load it from my website. And it's a concept where it's sort of like a radio that you scan through, an ambient textural radio. So you can take the oops, I got a caller there. So you can take this frequency dial and drag it and scan through the different textures and tones. And then you can use the controls up here to further sculpt and explore the sound. You can click the auto to automatically modulate these parameters. And you can continue scanning through the frequency to find different tones and atmospheres. So this is currently a very early version. I do plan to work on this a little bit more. So do check it out and leave comments about what you like to see, feature ideas of where I can take this. I really enjoy hearing your thoughts and then going back to this project and maybe update it with a new version with new features, etc. So that's Ghost Radio. Again, human.motives.org. If you go there, you can find all my music and projects that I'm tinkering around with. And I've also started doing some Substack articles to document my creative process and journey. So if you like to read things on Substack, you can check that out too. So thanks again. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed this update, and see you again soon. Bye-bye.